Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl V. So today there's a certain product that I would love to introduce you guys to, the starter kit from Rooibos. So I've been using this face kit for quite some time now. I don't usually use it every day as per instructed, since my skin is so sensitive, and I only use it when it's needed, especially when my face feels dry and has dark spots that are caused by pimples. I normally use it for a week and then I stop. I discontinue until when I need it again. I use these cottons together with the starter kit, reason being that I love how they are reversible, and there's a side where it's coarse, which is good for sweat and makeup, and the other side is very fine and the texture is just perfect for a skin face. Been wanting to plug you guys, but I haven't had time to do it. So this is the African Extract Rooibos Classic Everyday Starter Kit. The name itself says a lot about the product. Yep, it's actually vegan, meaning for those who have allergies and irritative skin, this is the right product to use. There's another one that's called the Oil Control Starter Kit, which is good for people who are suffering from oily skin. One thing I love about the starter kits is the fact that at the back of their boxes there's actually a full description of directions to follow when applying. Like the first step is the cleanse, which you will be using it to cleanse your face from makeup, from any sweat. And then the second step is the toner. You tone your face. And the third step, it's the moisturizer, the day cream, which you're gonna be using every day. One thing I love about them, again, it's the fact that they used bioactive extracts from natural oils, so it's very perfect. That's me trying to show you the products outside from the box, all the steps. That's the cleansing lotion. Like I've explained before, the cleansing lotion, it's one of the best actually for those people who are using makeup and impurities and all that. I think this is the right thing to use when you're wiping your face and all that. And again, we have the second step, which is the toner. Oh guys, please bear with me. I've been using this for quite some time now, so this thing, it's finished. You can see there's a little left. Bear with me with that one. I must get another one. Oh, by the way, these things are like a starter kit, so there's a bigger bottles there by Clicks, Disckem, and so on. So this is the cream, day cream. You can use it. And another thing that's so perfect about this cream, it's the fact that it has a SPF of 15, which is good for sun rays. It's good for your skin, your face skin. You wouldn't be dark. And another thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that this day cream, it helps with your color. If you have problems with color on your face, like blemishes, it helps a lot. It's been helping me a lot with those ones. So thank you guys. Please let me know if you find this thing interesting or useful, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.